Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have Daniel Perez here, my husband, and we are going to be testing out weird snacks my mom or my grandparents would feed me as a kid. So I'm gonna have him taste it and see what he thinks about what they made me, and let's get right into it. One of the things that I ate as a kid was mac and cheese and some cold cream
Can I
corn.
eat it before the cream corn so it doesn't ruin it? Because I don't like cream corn or corn at all.
But it has to be cream corn.
Can I eat it before though? And then taste it with the cream corn?
No, it has to be. Okay, I'm just gonna put it like right here. No, right here.
What would be the point?
Yeah, what would be the point? Because that's just mac and cheese. So I'm just gonna put a little bit so it doesn't ruin the whole thing. And then stir it. Okay, try that. Get that little corner that has the...
I don't like it.
Yeah, but you don't like cream corn.
I don't like corn. And corn and cheese,
It does. It actually tastes like... It tastes like it used to. Okay, so the second thing I would eat as a kid was spaghetti, like macaroni spaghetti, and a little bit of cheese on top, which I already added, and then I put a little bit of, well, my mom should
put a little bit of cream corn.
just taste a little bit, just so you can. I love this. This is actually really good. Oh yeah, it's really good. Okay, so this is what I would come home to. My grandma Serrano, she would make this all the time. She would put it in the microwave with a little bit of water and then make the potato and the broccoli, and then she would, after it was done, she would slap a piece of cheese on top. Exactly this like orange square cheese that you put in like hamburgers. So you wanna try it?
How do I try it?
Just
Do
like,
you have like a knife? So
oh yeah. It's okay.
I mean, it's good. It's a baked potato. Pretty much without the filling. This is really good. I'd eat this all day.
You eat that? That tastes like what I remember.
Muy bueno.
That is really good. Well, it tastes like back then when I used to eat it. My grandma, Nena, aka Grandma Paris Chica, she would make me veggie pizzas like this with a tortilla, marinara sauce, cheese, and some little cherry tomatoes. So, you wanna taste this? You can eat it like a taco. That's how I used to eat it, like a taco. I would use fold it. Oh, okay, wait. So rate everything from what you think so far, and then we'll start with the rating with this one. So what did you rate the mac and cheese? But think of it like if somebody else would eat it. Don't just be biased because you don't like cream corn or corn. Would you think that somebody would like it?
I feel like the creaminess, I feel like the cheese and the corn, I feel like shouldn't go together. So personally, I don't like it. I don't think anyone else. I don't know. I don't know.
So what would
you say
rate
you
it?
like it? I would personally. I would probably rate it like a 4, 5.
Like a 4?
I'll put a 5. It's not nasty. It's just not. I wouldn't eat it, so I would say 5.
Yeah, I think it's really good personally. Well, I grew up eating that, so I thought it was really good. Okay.
And then the second one, I feel like it was okay. Yeah, it's good. I feel like you would put corn in. I just feel like the texture was just a little bit. I feel like the texture.
So if you're not a texture
It was a
person,
little
it
too
would
thick.
be.
It was a little too thick because it was like a creamy rather than a saucy.
Okay, and then the potato and the broccoli.
Oh, that was like an 8. This would be pretty hard to eat. Probably just. Is it just cheese?
Yeah.
It's good.
Something you would not eat again, or something you would eat
I
again?
feel like if it was a little bit less saucy and more cheesy, I would like it a lot more. But it's really good. I'd actually eat this as like a little, like, come home for a snack type deal. This is actually pretty good. I like it.
It's good. Definitely not as good as Nana used to make it, but it's good. Another thing that my mom used to make me was Kix and peanut butter. So what I did is I put peanut butter in a bowl and I melted it. And then what she used to do is she used to just throw in the Kix, and it used to be a snack. I feel like the Kix don't look the same as they used to. Kix used to look different, I thought. I don't know. I haven't ate them in a long time. This looks really good.
Banana in there.
Ooh, that would be smack. That's what you used to do, huh?
Sometimes banana and raisins in there.
Oh, that's right. So that's what it should look like.
So it's kind of like a Rice Krispie, but instead of marshmallow, it's like infused with like with peanut butter that holds it together.
Yeah, kind of.
This looks good anyway. I don't even like this regardless.
It's good, huh?
Sometimes I would add cinnamon.
This brings back so much memories.
That's such an easy way to eat peanut butter, and I love peanut butter.
Okay. Ooh, I can't even. I'm like.
Mm-hmm.
So what would you rate that?
This is a 10.
10 out of 10. Would eat again?
Like if you're watching a movie and you don't want to be like grabbing stuff and like scooping things, this is perfect.
Yeah.
Even if you put like a little chocolate, little chocolate, and like chocolate chips, that would be good.
Okay. But yeah, I would highly recommend this one. I feel like a lot of people would eat this one.
Put it on the pan and then put it in the fridge and break it up.
Yeah.
Does peanut butter get on that one?
I would think so. No, well, I mean, if you put it in the freezer, it might.
So the last thing that I'm gonna show you guys that my mom used to make me was Fruit Loops and orange juice.
It's gonna be mucho sweeter.
Yeah, this is a really sweet one, so. Oh, let me shake it.
Now we're getting to the good stuff.
So instead of milk, pretty much, it's just orange juice. So, like that.
Sugar rush.
Sugar rush, yeah.
sour and then sweet. No plug on the sweet.
Sour Patch Kids. Would you eat that again?
I would eat this. Like, I don't know if I wanted something sweet and something to drink that was sweet after. But it's not like too sweet to where it's like, it feels like so unhealthy because the orange juice is kind of healthy. So it kind of makes me feel a little better.
Yeah. I thought this was like this was my favorite childhood snack. Because it was really good.
It's pretty sweet.
This is really good. Okay, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that subscribe and notification button so you guys are notified every single time that I upload. And have a great day, guys. Bye!